The trucking industry has seen many innovations over the decades, but nothing, and truly nothing, has generated the kind of hype Tesla's next-generation Semi is provoking right now. Starting next year, Tesla is gearing up to move into full-scale manufacturing of the revamped 2026 Tesla Semi, officially revealed at the 2025 annual shareholder meeting. And if anyone thought the original Semi was futuristic, the refresh takes things to a whole new dimension. What Tesla is planning isn't just a redesign. It's a strategic overhaul that combines aerodynamic mastery, battery breakthroughs, next-level software intelligence, and full integration of autonomy. Elon Musk even placed the Semi among the 3 products that will rapidly scale production next year, alongside Optimus and the Cybercab, highlighting just how central this truck is to Tesla's future vision. A fresh look, sleeker, sharper, and more aerodynamic than ever. The first thing that hits you when you look at the refreshed Tesla Semi is the front end. Tesla has done away with the old truck eyes headlights, replacing them with a sleek, continuous LED light bar that stretches across the front cabin. This change instantly gives the Semi a cleaner, more futuristic face, something that looks straight out of a sci-fi film. But this is more than a cosmetic update. Tesla smoothed the roofline, redesigned the bumper, and narrowed the windshield into a slightly curved shape. These refinements push the drag coefficient from 0.36 down to an astonishing 0.34. A difference of 0.02 might sound tiny to casual readers, but in aerodynamics, that sliver can unlock a 5 to 7% efficiency boost. And in trucking, that efficiency translates into real-world range gains, lower consumption, and lower operating costs. Compare this to diesel trucks that typically have a drag coefficient of around 0.65 to 0.7, and you see just how extreme Tesla's advantage is. The Semi almost slices through the air, whisper quiet, smooth, and energy efficient. The redesigned windshield isn't only about airflow either. Tesla's tweaks reduce solar heat absorption, meaning less cabin heat, lower cooling loads, and more battery efficiency on long summer hauls. Drivers benefit, operators benefit, the battery benefits, everyone wins. A lighter, stronger beast. Tesla isn't simply chasing beauty, it's chasing efficiency from every angle. A major goal of the redesign was to reduce the Semi's curb weight while still preserving its outstanding range and power. The original long-range Semi weighed around 23,000 pounds, which was already lighter than many experts predicted for a full-size electric Class 8 truck. But Tesla's engineering team found ways to push those limits even further. The real magic behind this achievement lies in Tesla's revolutionary 4680 battery cells. These aren't just bigger or smaller batteries. They represent a complete reinvention of battery architecture. With an energy density nearing 290 watt-hours per kilogram, the 4,680 cells hold more energy in a lighter, more compact structure. This is the engineering equivalent of making a car go faster with a smaller engine, not by brute force, but by refining everything around it. Because Tesla manufactures these cells in-house at Gigafactory Nevada, production is tightly integrated and highly optimized. That means fewer delays, more consistent quality, and greater control over costs, something legacy automakers continue to struggle with. Even more impressively, Tesla achieves weight reduction without sacrificing range. Thanks to improved aerodynamics and power management, the second-generation Semi can run on a slightly smaller battery pack while maintaining the same long-range performance. This is a substantial win for logistics companies. With the federal 82,000-pound gross combined weight allowance for electric trucks, every pound Tesla cuts from the vehicle itself becomes an extra pound of cargo they can transport. In other words, lighter truck, heavier payload, more money earned per trip. Tesla isn't just offering a cleaner alternative. It's offering a profitable one. A powertrain that makes diesel look ancient. Under the skin, the powertrain remains as strong as ever, sitting comfortably at about 800 kilowatts. But Tesla didn't stop there. Improvements in software, thermal routing, and cooling systems ensure that the truck can maintain consistent output even when climbing grades under punishing loads. The Semi's efficiency has also improved dramatically. Energy consumption now drops to about 1.7 kilowatt hours per mile, putting it ahead of other electric trucks from Daimler and Volvo. Every tweak, every refinement, every calculation was made to squeeze more distance out of every watt. Charging also jumps into an entirely new era. With support for charging speeds up to 1.2 megawatts, the Semi leaves the competition in the dust. This is faster than today's megachargers and cuts downtime significantly. For trucking companies, time equals money. This makes the Semi more appealing than ever. Higher price, lower lifetime cost. While Tesla hasn't finalized pricing, insiders expect the new units to sell somewhere around $160,000 to $190,000, depending on range and configuration. At first glance, that might sound steep, but once you factor in fuel and maintenance savings, the math starts to tilt hard in Tesla's favor. Diesel trucks burn roughly 1 gallon every 6.5 miles. At US diesel prices, that's about 44 cents per mile just in fuel. The Semi, running on electricity, averages around 30 cents per mile in California commercial electricity rates. That's nearly a 45% savings. Over a year, that's about $24,000 saved per truck. Over 10 years, it becomes $240,000 saved. More than the cost of the truck itself, purely in fuel savings. Maintenance is an even more dramatic story. Traditional diesel engines contain thousands of moving parts, require constant service, and rack up steep costs for transmissions, belts, oil changes, exhaust cleaning, and so on. Tesla's electric architecture removes the majority of these headaches. With regenerative braking significantly reducing brake wear, even long downhill routes become cheaper to operate. A fleet that switches to the Tesla Semi isn't just saving money, it's stepping into the future of low-maintenance, high-efficiency logistics. The first-class 8 truck designed for an autonomous future. The redesigned Semi isn't just another electric truck, it's Tesla's stepping stone toward a fully autonomous freight future. The Gen 2 Semi carries the latest hardware suite. Upgraded cameras, enhanced radar, additional sensors, and processors specifically designed for long-haul driving. Because the system sits within Tesla's existing vehicle software ecosystem, over-the-air updates mean features will continually improve. Just as Tesla cars evolve through updates, the Semi is built to grow and adapt long after purchase. With the US facing a truck driver shortage, currently around 80,000 positions, and expected to double by 2030, the timing couldn't be more urgent. Younger generations are reluctant to take on the tough schedules and high-stress lifestyle of trucking. Autonomy may be the industry's only sustainable answer. Tesla's Semi aims to change the driving experience entirely. Inside the cabin, drivers sit in a central, elevated position with perfect visibility and 2 touchscreens replacing the many knobs and switches of a typical diesel truck. The cabin is quiet, spacious, and designed for long hours without fatigue. Full self-driving tech will eventually take over highway stretches, drastically reducing driver stress and improving safety. A revolution that's more than just a refresh. The 2026 Tesla Semi isn't simply an upgraded vehicle. It's the beginning of a fundamental shift in how goods move across countries. Between the battery innovations, aerodynamic genius, radical efficiency improvements, and autonomy readiness, this truck sets a new standard for what Class 8 vehicles can be. It's cleaner, it's cheaper to operate, it's quieter, it's easier to drive, it's smarter, and most importantly, it signals the dawn of a freight industry that can operate continuously, sustainably, and autonomously. The future of trucking isn't arriving slowly. It's charging in at 1.2 megawatts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Tesla Semi and want more powerful breakdowns of the world's most advanced machines, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Your support helps us bring even bigger, better, and bolder content straight to you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.